Question number 8. We are given the quadratic equation x squared plus kx plus 8 equals k, and we are told this has no real solutions, and we are asked in part A to show that k satisfies k squared plus 4k minus 32 is less than 0. Well, the first thing that I'm going to do is move this k over to the left hand side. So we've got x squared plus kx plus 8 minus k is equal to 0. Now if we consider the general form of a quadratic equation, we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, and looking at its discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, if there are no real solutions, then b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. Now, comparing our two equations, the general and the equation given, my a value would be 1 because there's 1x squared there, my b value would be k, and my c value would be 8 minus k. So let's substitute these values in. B squared, so that's k all squared, minus 4 times a, well a was 1, and c was 8 minus k, and that's all less than 0. So we have k squared. Now minus 4 times 8 is minus 32, and minus 4 times minus k is plus 4k, which is less than 0. So if we just go back up here, k squared plus 4k minus 32 is less than 0, and that's our required answer for part A. Section B. The question asks us to find the set of solutions or possible solutions for k. So we need to consider k squared plus 4k minus 32 equals 0, and this factorises with a little bit of work to k and k. Two numbers that multiply make minus 32, upon addition make positive 4, and that's positive 8 and negative 4. So the two values of k are k equals minus 8 and or k equals 4. So if we sketch the graph, we've got something going on at minus 8 and something going on at 4. It's a positive k squared, so we have a happy face, so it's this shape parabola, and we then look at the set of values that satisfy this inequality that are less than 0. That means this part of the graph, which is below the x-axis, so it's all the values between minus 8 and 4. So the final answer, we put the smaller number there, the larger number there, and it's all the values that are greater than minus 8 but less than 4.